Hello everyone. Today we are making Korean style boiled pork suyuk. We'll pair it with a spicy, tangy and slightly sweet chive salad and some savory seasoned fermented shrimp saeujeot. It's perfect for a healthy family meal or when entertaining guests. Suyuk is a traditional Korean dish made with pork. It's perfect for recharging your energy during the tiring summer days. I'm using 700 grams of pork belly with skin, 오겹살. The skin adds a chewy texture and rich flavor. You can also use regular pork belly 삼겹살 or pork shoulder. Fresh chives balance the richness of the pork and help with digestion. Saeujeot is a Korean fermented food made from tiny shrimp and salt. We will season it with some spice. First, soak the pork in room temperature water for about 10 minutes to draw out the blood and impurities. Let's prepare the aromatics and vegetables. Use half of a large green onion. If it's very thick, slice it lengthwise. Half of an onion, cut into large chunks. Half an apple with the core removed, leave the skin on and cut into chunks. 10 cloves of garlic. Ginger sliced. We'll add Korean soybean paste doenjang to remove any gamey smell and add deep flavors. You can find it at Korean or Asian grocery stores. 2 tablespoons of doenjang, 3 bay leaves, 1/4 teaspoon whole black pepper, 1 to 1.5 liters of water, enough to fully submerge the ingredients. Bring it to a boil over high heat. Rinse the pork lightly in cold water after soaking. Pat dry with paper towels. Once the broth starts to boil, add the pork. Add the pork to boiling water. That's secret moist and tender suyuk. Add half cup of dry white wine. In Korea, soju is typically used. Once it comes back to boil, cover and cook on medium-high for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, reduce the heat to medium-low heat and simmer for another 20 minutes. While it simmers, prepare the ingredients for the chive salad. Half of a large onion, thinly sliced. We'll mix everything right before serving. Now let's season the saeujeot. Suyuk is traditionally served with saeujeot, which helps digest the pork. Mix 2 tablespoons saeujeot, 2 tablespoons finely diced onion, 1 tablespoon chopped green onion, and 1 minced Korean chili. If it's too spicy, you can leave the chili out. Add 1 tablespoon minced garlic and 1 tablespoon Korean chili powder. Mix well and finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. If it's too thick, add a bit more saeujeot brine to loosen it. After 20 minutes of simmering, check if the pork is fully cooked. If a chopstick goes in easily and no blood comes out, it's ready. Turn off the heat, cover, and let it rest for 10 minutes. This then makes the pork extra tender and flavorful. Once slightly cooled, we'll slice it. Now let's make the chive salad. Mix 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 3 tablespoons plum syrup, 1 tablespoon vinegar and 2 tablespoons chili powder and mix well. Add the chive and onion and gently toast everything to coat evenly. Finish with 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Slice the slightly cooled pork into your desired thickness. Arrange nicely on a large plate. Lay some parallel leaves or lettuce leaves underneath and add the chive salad. Add a small dish of the seasoned saeujeot. Your Suyuk platter is ready. A healthy and delicious dish with all the fat boiled out, paired with fresh aromatic chive salad and flavorful saeujeot. It's the perfect way to refresh your body and appetite in the summer. Hope you enjoy the Suyuk and stay healthy this summer. If you have any questions after trying this recipe, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. 안녕.